Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to put this squirrel guard on my bird feeder. So I've already had this, I think I got raccoons getting in here and they're tipping these over and getting the peanuts out. So I'm going to put it right above this. I did lower this one a little bit, but I'm going to put it right here. Now it does come with a bracket. You can put it on a pole or for hanging. It's got these for hanging. So it is made out of metal. It's pretty heavy duty and it comes assembled. So it's all ready to go. Okay, so here I've got the screws installed. It's got a self-locking nut on the other side. Here's the directions. It does come with longer screws for if you've got a 1-inch pole. I've only got a 1/2-inch pole, so that's how I mounted it. Now, I was able to take my pole apart, so now I just slid it on here, and so there's what it's going to look like. Okay, so I even bent these up a little bit. I think these have gotten bent down over time, so I bent those up a little bit just to kind of get them farther away. I think this is going to work. Hope this video helps.